Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install door seals on your Model 3, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so here's the install part. So this is the kit. It came in actually a nice Ziploc bag. Here's all the parts. They're like 8 door seals. Yeah, 8 door seals for the front and back doors. So first thing you want to do is take your microfiber towel or some towel to clean off the edge here where you're going to actually be applying the door seal. So make sure you get the whole entire edge of the door. And then go ahead and take your adhesive promoter, put that on there so that way when you put the stickies on it'll get a good seal. So again, all the way across the entire surface you're obviously going to be putting the door seal on. So this is the front one. Front door, start with the bottom, this corner here, thicker pieces on the bottom. So go ahead and start it in the corner, make sure it's lined up with the bottom of the actual door. So here is the drainage hole, so make sure you cut out holes for that so the water could leak out of there. So just take your scissors, cut a hole. Be careful though with this, because if you're not careful you could end up cutting the the door seal in half, so be really careful about that. So make the cuts, and then what you want to do is cut it from the inside so you can cut the entire piece out where the drainage hole is. Here we go. So there, I finally got it out. Now you can continue all the way across the bottom. There is another drainage hole on the other side of the door, so you're going to have to do the same thing for that side. So once you've got that all the way across, then line up the end, cut off the extra that you don't need, and then go ahead and peel off the rest of the stickies and stick it to the edge of the door. Now so there you go, so now you can see it's lined up with the edge of the door, looks good. Now go ahead and start on the vertical side. So again, just at the edge of the door, keep it at the edge of the door. And again, stick it all the way up to the top. Once you get to the top, of course you're going to cut it there too. Make sure you cut it at an angle so it matches with the door and the other rubber piece at the top. So there we go, pretty good fit. Now it's time for the A-pillar. So this one is going to be the hardest one. So same thing, microfiber towel, clean off all the dirt and all that stuff that's on the place where we're going to actually put the seal. And same thing again, adhesive promoter after that. So again, this one is kind of hard because of the door hinges. So here's the A-pillar seals, what it's called. So make sure the sticky side is on the left for this driver's side door. Start it at the top, stick it down, and then go ahead and work your way all the way down. Work it obviously behind the door hinges. Then at the bottom, every one of these has tons of extra, so make sure you cut it to the right length. And here's what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, all the way down past the hinges, and now it lines up at the bottom. So the next one is going to be the B pillar, which is right behind the driver's side door on the passenger rear door. So same thing, microfiber, adhesive promoter, and then go ahead and, so this one, the closed side starts at the top, and then you cut off the rest of the bottom. So go ahead and start the closed side at the top there, stick it down, and then just work your way all the way down to the bottom, just like the other the other pieces. Once you get down to the bottom, make sure you cut it at an angle. As you can see, the piece ends at an angle, so make sure it matches that. And of course, pull the rest of the stickies off and stick it on. So there you go. And then the last one is same thing, microfiber adhesive promoter. Again, the closed side is on the top. So go ahead and line up the closed side with the top of the door there, and then start working your way down. You're going to want to work your way all the way down to the bottom. This door also has 2 drainage holes, so make sure you cut holes out for those when you get to those. They're basically in the same places as the front door, so kind of on the left. kind of on the right. So that's what it should look like. And so that's basically it. Once you've got this one down, then that's it. Do the other side, and that's basically the install. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.